Your lesson essential question is, how do we add on an open number line? So we'll be using a strategy using an open number line to add. An open number line doesn't have specific numbers on it. We're going to be writing only the numbers that we need, so it's open. We're solving 481 plus 122. When we add on an open number line, our first addend is going to go on the furthest left of the number line. So 481 will be our first number. So our instructions are, first jump your hundreds. So we're adding 100. So we're going to make a big jump. We're adding just 100. I learned yesterday how to add hundreds. So 481 plus 100, my hundreds place will change. I now have 581. Now I'm adding 2 tens. My instructions say then jump your tens. So I'm going to make 2 smaller jumps. Those are my tens. So we're adding 1 10 and a second 10. $581, my tens place is what changes. So 581 plus 10 is 591. Now we're adding another 10. This 9, now if we have 9 tens and we're adding a 10, we've got a whole new 100. So 9 plus 1 makes this 5 turn to a 6. We now have 6 hundreds, 0 tens, and this 1 will stay the same. Our last instruction is to jump our ones. We're adding 2 ones. So we'll make 2 smaller jumps. 601 plus 1 is 602. 602 plus 1 is 603. So my sum is 603. Let me show you one more way to solve this using the open number line. So again, we're doing 481 on the farthest left side. First, we're jumping our hundreds. We're only adding 100. So that part will stay the same. So 481 plus 100 is 581. So what we can do is add all of our tens together. Instead of making separate jumps for each 10, we can add the whole 20. And it's completely up to you which way you'd rather do it. 581, we know, plus those 2 tens is 601. And then we can also add our 2 ones. We're jumping our ones next. We can add them at the same time. So 601 plus 2 is 603. And that's how you add using an open number line. You jump your hundreds, then you jump your tens, then you jump your ones.